Sometimes you gotta sit and have that talk with God. When it feels like you're going through, He'll give you the strength to make it. Just gotta be real with Him and tell Him how you feel. One night, I just had a conversation with Him, and it went something like this. I need your healing power, deliver me, Heavenly Father. I can't do this by myself, I need your help. Yo, I never felt quite like this before. I got my back against the wall and the devil's at the front door. And he's chilling with temptation, and their main goal is to try and get my mind's imagination. But I refuse to lose my God-given gifts, so I'm asking you, Father, give me strength. Cause every day a different demon on a block scheming, attacking me inside my sleep while my mind's dreaming. I need you, Lord, I can't afford not to know the reason. Please explain why I keep seeing evil beings, and every time I turn my head somebody else is dead. And every time I blink my eyes I hear a soul cry. Why do we struggle trying to stay alive, or when we was really born to die? Nah, I mean,
Lord, give me the strength to make it. Yes, Lord, give me the strength to make it. I need you, give me the strength to make it. Yes, Lord, give me the strength to make it. I need you, give me the strength to make it. Yes, Lord, give me the strength to make it. Yes, Lord, give me the strength to make it. Yes, Lord, give me the strength to make it.
you're not the author of confusion, so I'm asking for your wisdom in this battle, cause it feels like I am losing. What does it profit a man to gain the whole world and lose his soul? Yo, that's out of control and out of pocket. I need to know how to stop it, so I can cast all my worries on the only one who's worthy to make the devil flee away from me. Open up my eyes, Lord, cause I wanna see. I confess, I need you to remove this burden off my chest, so my soul can be forever blessed. Lord, I confess, I need you to remove this burden off my chest, so my soul can be forever blessed. Lord, give me the strength to make it. Sometimes I hate it, feels like I can't take it. Lord, I can't shake it. People keep faking, talking about how they make moves but hesitating. Lord, that I'm a fool that people keep
Lord, give me the
taking.
strength to make it. Yes, Lord, give me the strength to make it. I need you, give me the strength to make it. Yes, Lord, give me the strength to make it. I need you, power, give me the strength to make it. Yes, Lord, give me the strength to make it. Yes, Lord, give me the strength to make it. Yes, Lord, give me the strength to make it.
Born into a world of sin, not knowing where to begin. I watched the lives of many men, now I realize that it was God by my side to see me through when I didn't know what to do. He made it plain for me to see that He had my life planned out before I was conceived. Now tell me who the man be who brings death to life, turn dark to light, shine bright like stars at night. 360 Jesus hit me one day when I was in church instead of work, but everything worked out. No doubt I had to shout by the words of my mouth and the meditation of my heart, be acceptable in thy sight. Bless the rock, the mic, oh Lord, my strength and my redeemer. Your people really need